Sir, on Hollywood. And you can hear me over there, sir? All right, and you got me okay? Roger that. All right, perfect. Yep, you already got your leg out. Once you get that seatbelt together, just remember to adjust on the right-hand side right there. Yep. Yeah, flip it over. There you go. Feel good right there? Yep. All right, perfect. We'll bring that leg back in for the ride. All right, sir. Cabin weapon are secure. Roger, cabin weapon are secure. Hi, guys. How are you?
Hey, it's going good, man.
Welcome on board. All right, guys. So you got the safety brief on the ground?
Yep.
Do you have any questions on it?
Good.
Perfect. There you go. Let's go have some fun. All right, lights are out. Gauges green. Fuel looks good. Clear up and right. And left and up are clear. So coming up. Where are you guys from?
Pennsylvania. Nashville here.
You guys related?
No, all buddies from Atlanta.
Nice. What area of Atlanta?
Oh, Sandy Spring area?
Yeah,
Marietta, Sandy Springs.
Yeah. Yep. I used to, you remember the Hooters at Cumberland?
Oh, yeah. I spent a lot of time there. Spent a lot of money there.
I used to work there.
Oh, shit. They used to have the bikini contest there, too.
Yes, they did. I enjoyed my time there. It had its benefits, for sure. Who would have ever thought a guy would win a bikini contest 4 years in a row? I know. All right, guys, we're starting off with the aerosol. So I'm going to keep this aircraft down low. We're going to push her, see what kind of airspeed we can get today. You guys like roller coasters?
Oh, yeah. Let's take it up a notch.
Are you sure? That's right.
Oh, yeah. Woo! Gotta do that map of the earth, man.
That's right. I used to go road racing at Road Atlanta.
Oh, yeah.
That was back when they used to have the gravity cavity before they filled it in.
I've done this on a C-130 before. It's not much fun.
Nice. So what were you? What branch?
Army.
I won't hold it against you. I retired from the Marine Corps, and James over here retired from the Air Force. I fly helicopters because I'm scared of heights. Why I don't fly airplanes? They go up way too high. How we doing, guys?
Oh, great. Awesome, man.
You all of a sudden got quiet on me back there. I was worried. You guys remember the Dukes of Hazzard, right?
Oh, yeah.
When Roscoe's chasing the Duke boys and the bridge is out?
Yep.
Bridge is out.
Woo! Double negative G.
And North Kingston's clear, sir. Roger, north is clear. Guys, yeah, I gotta go over them. They don't like it when I fly underneath them. We're gonna do some snow skiing without the snow and without the skis. Oh yeah. How we doing?
All right.
All right, need you to just stay tight real quick. James, you are clear to load. Yeah, roger that. Clear to load. Just give me 1 sec. All right, then just remember, once you start firing, we're going to get real heavy on that trigger. Yep. Hold the trigger down for about 5 seconds. If you want to hold it longer, just keep that thing cranked all the way to the back. And weapon is hot. Roger, weapon is hot. Wash is clear. Your shooter, Earth, southbound, South Kingston. Yeah, copy that, sir. Check it. All right, left leg out. Right hand on that fifth grip. There you go, just like that. I'll let you know when to start shooting. And weapons free. All right, there's your targets there. Line them up. Yep, there you go. All right, left back, down low, hit him. Nice, dude, right on target. Yeah, we always start from the right side. There you go. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. That's how you do it. You want to purchase for the 100 rounds?
I'm good, thanks.
All right, let's bring that left leg back inside. And weapon is clear. Roger, weapon is clear. Hell yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, they have the cave back there too. Bonus points.
Yeah, camera weapon secure. Camera weapon secure, RTB. You're in the Army too?
Thanks, man. That was awesome.
Yeah. Well, you're in the Army as well?
No.
Just in Nashville? Nice dude, good. All right, so real quick, once we get on the ground, the whole way on the ground, I'm going to give you a thumbs up. I'm going to give you a thumbs up, headsets up, seatbelts off, and then swap seats.
Yeah.
Guys, you're good to swap seats.
Cause every now and then I kick the living shit out of me. Smoke along.
All right, nice. You're all set up. You can hear me okay, sir?
Gotcha.
All right. You can hear me again okay, sir?